From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Friday evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver with the Friday evening Center forecast. I want to show you this time lapse outside of Beaver Stadium this afternoon. I just want to show you it was a pretty dreary day all throughout the day this morning and this afternoon. And you can see that outside of our golf courses right now. We got some rain coming down this afternoon. About 4 o'clock is when I'm recording this. It is 50 degrees outside this afternoon with some rain. It also feels like 50 degrees. But I want you to point this out, that we have a wind of 18 miles an hour. It is quite a bit windy out there this afternoon, which you can see on our wind speeds throughout the Commonwealth. Erie, this is sustained wind speeds. Erie at 23 miles an hour, Pittsburgh and State College at 18 miles an hour, and Philadelphia at the Boston 22 miles an hour for sustained wind speeds. And because of these high winds, we have a wind advisory throughout the western half of the Commonwealth this afternoon, and this goes to about tomorrow evening till around 5 o'clock dinner time-ish. So it's going to be pretty windy for the next 24 hours. And this wind is bringing some of those feel-sweat temperatures down too. We are at a feel-sweat temperature of 39 degrees in Du Bois and 43 degrees in Indiana, so 5 degrees cooler than what it actually is. And 39 degrees as a feel-sweat in Erie, while Pittsburgh and State College and Philadelphia aren't feeling any wind chill at all. But it is a bit cooler than it was this time yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty nice day, albeit the rain, but the temperatures were pretty nice in my opinion. Today though, we are seeing about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday. And throughout the rest of the Commonwealth, I just wanted to show you clouds or the big picture, which if we move to our satellite and radar, you can see the clouds and some streaks of showers making their way in through the middle of the state. But that's associated with the system spinning right up around Buffalo, Rochester, New York. Good news is that I'll move out tonight and into tomorrow, which you can see here on the precipitation outlook. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday look to be pretty dry. Maybe you can't rule an isolated shower, but then Wednesday is when the precipitation returns, which I will show you here in just a second. But if we go throughout the weekend on our future tracker, I find it interesting that this is showing snow. It's going to be way too warm for snow, so you don't have to worry about that. Maybe in the higher elevations, especially up towards Bradford, in that area. Otherwise, just got a few showers, and it's going to be pretty cloudy throughout the day tomorrow, and then it's going to gradually clear throughout the day, but it will still be windy throughout the day tomorrow, so do keep that in mind. It'll be windy until around dinner time. And if we zoom out, take a look at the bigger picture of the futurecast. Again, Sunday night into Monday, can't rule out a shower, quick shower that moves through. Monday and Tuesday looks to be pretty clear, and our next system right here moves in on Wednesday. But bringing it back to tonight, we are forecasting a low of 39 degrees. Again, gotta deal with those pesky showers, and it's going to be pretty windy too. Winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour with a gust of 40 plus miles an hour. And then for your football game, if you're going out to the blue and white game, get ready for the wind. It's not going to be raining, but it is going to be windy and a little chilly out there too, of 48 degrees. But because it is windy, it's going to feel a lot cooler than it actually is. And then the day overall though, we are forecasting about the same to what we saw today, a temperature of 53 degrees, and again, the winds are about the same, but those clouds clearing out late, so the winds will die out as those clouds clear as well. And in the 7-day forecast, you can see we return back to summer on Sunday, but the clouds remain, and then that continues to be the story for Sunday, Monday. Tuesday is when Mr. Sun comes back out for good, and then Wednesday he hides behind the clouds with some scattered showers. Thursday, I said 80s because we are forecasting a high of 77 degrees, but if we get the sun out long enough, I could see us reaching 80, 81 degrees, so it's not out of the table. And then Friday, I'm cooling back down, but the clouds building in even more with a high temperature of 64 degrees. Well, for your CNET forecast, I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. Enjoy your weekend.